Okay. We are logging in the Salesforce org from the main account as a system administration. So what is system administration? We will discuss it later. But before that, we are going to create the new user. So don't call it as an account. Okay. We are going to create a new user. So what is user? This is organizations org, right? This is organization. So if some new employee has come in the organization and you want to give the access of his Salesforce, so you need to create the new user simply, right? So that he can access the same organization instead of creating his separate account and separate organization and something like that. So for that, before creating the new user, I want to show something. Okay. Before that, we have to go to the setup first, and this is the developer edition application. We want to go to the setup. So after going to the setup, let me just close this application. After that, here is the quick point. From this quick point, I want to go to the company information. Okay, I want to show some. Okay. Just click on the company information. It is opening. It is opening. And after that, so this is company information as okay. Uh, our company organization name is Bodycam. Okay. Then yeah, this is by default information. I haven't edited anything here. And then organization edition, it's developer edition, as we have gone for free edition, so that's why it's the developer edition. Okay, this is not the thing I have to show. uh, the main part is this user license. So as we are going to create a new user, and we are going to assign this Salesforce license to him. Okay, one user have only one license through their profile. Okay, through their profile. Without profile, you cannot assign the license. So what is profile, that we can also see it later, but for the time being, we are going to assign this license, self assign. You can simply just remember it. And we have just four license, and we have used already three license, and we remaining only one license. Just remember this remaining count. Okay, we have only one, so we can create only one user having his Salesforce license. So just remember this count, only one license is remaining. After that, just search user users. So in the user section, there is a users. In the user, after clicking on the users, you will find all the users currently in the organization. So just create the new user. So I'm currently this Shinder Viraj, and this is my email address. I mean username, and I'm a system admin. So system administrator means I have the Salesforce license and I can do anything. I can create the new user, and I can even deactivate the user, any user. So let's create the new user. Click on the new user. Of that, just give name. I will be just going to do the Viraj, let's suppose 3. I have already R2, So alias, I'm going to give R3, So, you know, you are the system administrator and some new employee has come in your organization. So you will give his first name, last name. So I have just simplicity, for simplicity, I have your mind. And alias is nothing but what do you want to call shorthand. So I want to call this user as a R3, and then username it also all automatically, and email I want to give the same email as one. After that, just make sure that username should be R3. Uh, Username should be emails as it is. I have already the user with this email, so that's why I'm not going to put this in. But the username should be email. Then after email, there should be sorry, your organization name, variten.com. That's it. Okay, rp@variten.com. That's it. After that, the nickname is this. I don't want his nickname actually, but still, Ravi is his nickname. After that, the company is obviously Variten, and after that, the role. I'm not going for any role, so role is nothing but the CEO. Who is he? He's employee, he's CEO, he's manager, something like that. I'm not going for anything here. You can put there. You can even add the custom role as well from searching here role, and yeah, this is a different part. So here I want to select the Salesforce license. So I want to give him a Salesforce license. This is the topmost license. He can do anything from this license. He can even delete me. if he is logging from there. Okay, so he has the same authority, authentication or whatever that authority or access as I have currently as a system administrator because I'm giving the same license to him. So I have given the Salesforce. Then you have to select the profile. So after selecting the Salesforce license, Salesforce give you the all the related profiles which has this license. Okay, so let's see when you create. So let's suppose you have created the chatter external. So it will give only one profile that is related to this. So if you create the Salesforce, so let's if you identity, you will receive these two profiles. So these are the standard profiles. You can even customize it, custom profile as well. But I'm going to give the Salesforce license and selecting the, let's suppose, system administrator. I'm currently a system administrator and I'm giving the same profile. That's it. After that, just uncheck this. Currently, I'm using the same email, so that's why it might give me the problem. So that's why you can just uncheck these three, two boxes, and after that, create now. I'm going not going to do this anything. We will do. Is there any option to set the password as well from here instead just resetting? Okay, okay, we are looking like that. So just create this, generate new password, and notify user. Okay, here is it. No, generate new password and notify user immediately. Okay, so I'm just saving. So after clicking the save, it has created the new user called Raviraj3 and analysis R3. Its username is this. So after giving the email address, you will receive the email. Here you go, just 612 and it's 6:30. Just click on this. After after receiving this email, you will click on this verify account, and after that, you'll reset the password. And just for testing purpose, I'm going to give the same password as I have in my main account because I don't want to remember this password. Okay. After that, in what city you born? Let's suppose I'm born in Mumbai. That's it. Okay, I think it's good. Saying what? Why? Change password. Okay. So now here I was logging as okay, now it automatically logging as Viviraj 3 and my main account got logged out automatically. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, after login, we will receive this again, developer edition and blah 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 this thing. That's it. So in that way, you can create your account. Let me just log out from this account, and this is my main account. Login, go to the setup, plus verified. Okay, go to the setup. From this, you can search again the users, click on the user, and here you can see we have created this username R3, right? R3, and his username is r3@version.com. And he is also system administrator, like I am system administrator. So here is I'm currently logged in as Shinder Viraj and or Viraj Chandani. Okay. So this last name is your first name, first name. Okay, good to know. So in that way you can create the new user.